Hiking, y'all, hiking. Come on, bro, talk that talk. Look at this. Look at this. That's how you hike, y'all. We're getting it in. We're getting it in. We're going up this mountain. Don't let the mountain defeat you.
Let's go.
Ooh, this ain't no joke, y'all.
It's bigger than this mountain. It's bigger than this mountain. Let's go. Let's get it.
Oh, God. Ooh. Remember, guys, hiking. This ain't a sprint. This ain't a race. It's a marathon. You dig? From the bottom of the mountain to the top. Hiking. You gotta try it. Don't let the mountain defeat you. We going all the way up. All the way up. We ain't playing. I say. Masterminds. We going all the way to the top. Look at that. Dope, pretty dope, pretty dope. We ain't giving up. Oh my goodness, this mountain kicking my butt. This mountain kicking my butt, boy. Woo! We gonna make it though. Mindset over everything, you dig? We're gonna defeat this mountain today. Learn how to hike today. You're gonna learn how to hike today. Hiking. Big. We getting it in.
That's not shy.
We are hiking, getting it in. Look at this. Mountains. Very nice, right? We doing that. We're hiking, Poppy. You dig? We're getting it in. Atlanta. First time for everything. First time hiking. Whew. We're getting it in. Look at that. Going up this mountain. We're going all the way up to the top. Ooh, this mountain ain't no joke. Look at this. Hiking, guys. Hiking. Oh, my goodness. Mountain ain't no joke. We're getting it in. Look at all this. We got to walk through this. Ooh. Perfect workout. We can climb today. Learn how to climb today. Wanna play no games. I wanna give you my last name. That was my favorite line. Wanna give you my last name? Woo! Did that. Hiking with the fam. Getting it in. Woo! Let's get it. Mindset over everything. Sir.
Nice. Put it on portrait.
Look at that.
Get the, okay.
All
right, let's get for David. Portrait function. Okay.
All right.
Ready?
Like Magnolia. And over the next 3 months, 45% of them may not survive. If you need help or can offer it, go to facebook.com/support small business. This message is brought to you by Facebook.
Hey, Atlanta, hiking, hey. Look at that big mother. See that? Fam in here, sister for another mother. Hey, we turn. It's lit. Hey, it's your. Hey. Look at that mountain. Did that. Hey. Shay Bugs. Yeah. Sus. We here in Atlanta, y'all. We getting it in, man. All the way down. Look at that. Y'all ready? We going to the top of this thing. Let's get it. First time for everything, hiking. Mindset is everything. Let's get it. Look at that. Beautiful. That's the city right there. Hiking, y'all. Mastermind. Yeah. We ain't done yet. We going up more. You did. We here. That's my water. Alright, y'all. We see y'all in the next day. Hiking in Atlanta. Hiking. Look at that. They don't got this where I'm from. We doing it. Look at this hill. Look at that. We going up. Mountain top, y'all. Don't let the mountain defeat you. We getting up there. We getting there. Cool, man. Top of the mountain, y'all. Top.
I just be thinking about, like say, I always think about like we think about like how something started. How something and something. I think about how it started. It started in my damn apartment. Shit ended yesterday.
That's crazy, right?
It started in I like that. It started in your apartment, and then I think that's it.
Fam.
You know what I'm saying? Like that's the way it ended out. That's dope.
That's it.